Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 65T wireless earbuds, and I will show you how you can enable or disable hear through option. So we have to be connected with the Jabra Sound Plus application, and this option we will find right here. So when you want to turn it on, just click on the switcher, and then you can adjust the level of the hear through option. And it's especially good when you're outside and you want to stay up to date to all of this, background sound. So for example, if you are running outside close to the road where there's a lot of cars and you don't want to be hit by the car or something like that, definitely use this feature. But when you are, for example, in your house and you want to mute the background, just turn it off. And that's very simple. You just have to be connected with Jabra Sound Plus application. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.